In this video, I'm going to talk about the multiple ways of how you can find Doordash promo codes. So what you want to do is just first load up your Doordash application, and immediately here you will be able to see get $0 delivery fees and lower services with Dash Pass. Now that is the first promo that we can use if you sign up for Dash Pass, which obviously costs money, so that's not ideal. But also here you can find other promos as well. So take $5 off orders, $25 plus, and this is the promo code which you can use. So basically right here in the first section you will be able to see all of the available current promos. Now another way of how you can receive promo codes is here in the notifications tab. So in the top right next to your shopping cart you can see the notifications. So if you click on here you should be able to see any promo codes which might be available to use in your account. And another way of how you can find promo codes on Doordash is by checking your email. So occasionally they will send you emails with promo codes and you can use those as well. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.